Hi, Mr. Marks. I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and fit it like this. So that is a small document. I'm going to try to find the document to send it to you. It's a little harder than expected, believe it or not. So I thought it was going to be easy to find it. So what you're going to have to do is go right here to your Zoom function in Google Slides. Now I use Google Slides in order to that you guys can not manipulate the back. Okay, and that I can send you a PDF that you could correct. So you go to Zoom here. I would go to 200 and I would move it around so that you could do it. So go ahead and this is something I did back before. I'm going to go here. Make sure to go back to your arrow button so that you can actually manipulate the text buttons. So we have this. We have fluorine. Now, especially if you did the previous one and you checked it, I still have the password. You go here and you go to your periodic table, and it's being grumpy with me. Might have to go look at a periodic. Let me pause it. There you go. Okay. Now my periodic table, I find fluorine. How many do I move over basically? Remember, this is the F, the D's, and the P's. We move over on the S, so we have one valence electron, two valence electrons. Then we move over here and we're in the P's. So we're in the first row of the P's, but it moved us over. So we go one valence electron, two valence electrons, three valence electron, four valence electron, five valence electrons, six valence electrons, seven valence electrons. Okay, so when I go back to Google Classroom, right here, it's going to be 7. I can do one more with you. Let's go ahead and do phosphorus. I'm going to do calcium so you guys can see that. Calcium's right here. It's right there. So one valence electron, two valence electrons. Okay, that's it. Now there's going to be a couple that are in that D. Go ahead and tell me how many you move over. They're going to be a little tricky. Umarian, I will try to send you that link of the sheet so that you can just write it down and send a picture to me. All right. Have a wonderful day, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Oh, why isn't